Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We recently finished remodeling this kitchen that you see behind us. And so we wanted to take a moment today and go over 5 simple upgrades that we think make a big impact that don't cost a lot of money. Also, one of the benefits of these is that they don't take a lot of specialty tools either, and there's something you can do easily on a Saturday. So first up on our list are soft close door hinges. We chose to go with Bloom soft close hinges. We purchased those off of Amazon. They were about $45 for 8 of them. The beauty of these is that it's something you can do with a screwdriver and basically a Saturday afternoon and just go around and change those out. And while it may not seem like a big deal, it makes a big impact and it really will kind of spoil you.
All right, so this next one is really cool and probably one of my favorites. It is the sponge caddy that holds your sponges and your sink stopper. Now, the one that we used is by Rev-A-Shelf. We bought it from Lowe's. It was cheaper on Lowe's than it was at Amazon. We'll go ahead and link that up in the description below. But it was super easy to install, and honestly, I love being able to get the stuff off of the countertops and in the sink and hide them away. Now, if you are doing this with existing cabinetry, it is gonna be a little more work because you're gonna have to go underneath the sink and go ahead and take out that false drawer front and kind of go from there. We did watch a YouTube tutorial on that, so might look up one.
So next up on our list, retrofitting out your can lights. Now, a lot of homes, especially older homes, they've got these can lights in them. And honestly, they're kind of a little nasty most of the time. They get cobwebs and stuff up in there. So we started retrofitting out ours to these kind of a flat mount LED fixture. And they're a 5 or 6 inch connection. And basically you just snap these in there. And there are these little hooks that are already inside of the can. And these are made to where you just hook these up on each side. And push those up in there. And the way that that connection is made is it's just like you just remove your light bulb, and then it's got a little socket that will screw up in there. It's got a wire that hangs down, and you saw that little pigtail. You just connect those up and push that can up in there. Makes a big difference. Now, we got these. They were from Sunco was the brand. We picked these up off of Amazon for 12 of them. It was about 65 bucks. That to me is a steal. We were able to do pretty much all of our lights in our house for 65 bucks. And now you've got this nice, flat, smooth, clean look.
So the next item up is one of my favorites and honestly one of the easiest to install. It is the undermount trash can. So we went with the Rev-A-Shelf, the 2 27-quart trash cans. They have several of them that you can choose from. Like I said, it was one of the easiest to install. You basically just screw it to the bottom of your cabinet. The only main thing is to make sure that you measure your cabinets and make sure you get the one that fits your cabinets and your needs. The one that we got was $89, again from Lowe's, and we'll link that up into the description.
So next up on our list is changing out the hardware on your drawers and your cabinet doors. This is something that, again, is basically a screwdriver type job. If you can, when it comes to your hardware, try to find stuff that matches up with your existing holes. This just makes your life a lot simpler. If you can't get around that, and for some reason you've picked a hardware that's not going to match up, go ahead and just drill out your existing holes. I would drill them out to about 1/4 inch and then put 1/4 inch dowel rods in those, cut those off flush and smooth, sand them down, paint back over it or whatever you're gonna do, and then go ahead and add your new hardware. And it's gonna help to hide all of that and make it look a lot cleaner. Now, when it comes to price, the thing about it is you can pretty much just name your own price with hardware. Just a quick look on Amazon or Lowe's website, or even just go in store, you're just gonna see it's from one end of the spectrum to the other. So it's really gonna just depend on what you're looking for. We will, however, go ahead and put the exact hardware that we use in our kitchen. We'll put a link up for those in case you're interested in something that looks like this.
All right, so there you have it. 5 simple upgrades for your kitchen. We hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gave you some ideas. If you have any questions, be sure and put them in the comments or hit us up on Instagram.